I had a meeting with World Bank last week, and one of their biggest worry, Bwana Mwerũ and Kanji, is the state-owned parastatals. Okay? Because they feel like there may not be compliance there. So we may require the hand of the CS to have everybody compliant, because that will be very critical if we are going to succeed in this.
Today marks the beginning of a journey that will transform the management of the human resource information across the public service, being enhancing availability and accessibility of information in the desired format and ensuring compliance and good corporate governance in human resource management practices. I therefore wish to reiterate that all public service organizations whose remuneration and benefits are payable directly from the consolidated fund or directly out of money provided by Parliament should migrate their HR and payroll data and embrace the unified HR system as authorized shared government platform for management of human resource and payroll information as communicated by the head of public service.